happens every summer. Things are moving slow, and time to unwind only gives me time to spend alone.
It is a really hot and good afternoon din naman because we are celebrating the love of two very special persons. Sa init po ng panahon ngayon, nagsuspend na ng classes sa Manila. And yet, meron pang mas mainit na lugar dyan. Mas mainit yung pagmamahal ng Diyos.
I'm about to lose my mind. 'Cause when I see you, I think I need you every single summertime. Oh, no.
Finally, we're here on one of the best days of our lives. Ang sarap pakinggan, matatawag na kitang misis ko. I remember the first day we met. You were casually dressed, naka-pink polo shirt. First day, first look, alam ko na ikaw na. Ready na ako mag-all in.
Every single summertime. Every time. Every single summertime. Every time. Every single summertime. Every time. Every single summertime.
Mr. Espinelli, kumusta naman?
Mrs. Espinelli.
You know?
Why don't you keep that going now? Every single summertime. Every time. Every single summertime.
Celine, did you come here today of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Jew, did you come here today of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Are you both ready to raise up as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Yours completely, for better or for worse.
We've been through so much and thank you for being there through the highs and the lows. From daily commuting to buying our first car together, from fancy daydreaming about this wedding to actually having the best day of my life with the best person in the world.
Feeling nervous, trying to find the words to get you here today. You make my heart feel like it's summer. When the rain is pouring down, you make my whole world feel so right when it's wrong.
I can't forget the first time you introduced me to your family, where I witnessed how you treat the women in your life, your siblings and your mama. I thought to myself, paano pa kaya sa magiging asawa neto? Napakaswerte ko naman kung ikaw ang mapapangasawa ko. And that's when I knew you are the one.
When we're together, you make me feel like my mind is free and my dreams are unreachable. You know I never believed in love, but believed one day that you would come along. And free me. You make my heart feel like it's summer. When the rain is pouring down, you make my whole world feel so right when it's wrong. That's how I know you are the one. That's why I know you are the one. That's why I know you are the one. That's how I know
We've been waiting for this for almost 10 years. Yes, almost 10 years. Kasi noon pa lang, I knew this is different. You were everything I didn't know I ever wanted. Sa loob ng 10 years, sobrang dami na nang nangyari sa buhay natin. Ups and downs, wins and lose, away bate, lungkot saya. Our journey was not easy, but it was all worthwhile knowing that I will always have your hand and you will always have mine. You became my peace, my heart's refuge, and my one safe place.
Sino ang mag-aakala na may forever sa Miguel? Never in my life have I ever imagined that my future husband is going to be some stranger I just met online. I always thought fling-fling lang yan. At di naman yan sineseryoso. Lo and behold, here we are. The Lord blessed me more with you because He knew what I was longing for deep inside my heart. A love so pure and gentle. A kind of love I never have to beg for. Mahal na mahal kita. Salamat sa lahat, Ma. Thank you for the wonderful 10 years we had, and I'm excited for the coming years with you as my husband. I vow to always be by your side, supporting and cheering you up through the good times and the bad ones. In times of laughter and tears, in triumph and losses, I will always be here.
Mahal na mahal kita at hindi lang ito matatapos sa salita. Dahil pag sinabi kong mahal kita, hawakan ko ang kamay mo mula sa harap ng altar hanggang sa habang buhay. Pag sinabi kong mahal kita, kahit ano pang tampo at iyak ko, uuwi ako sa. Pag sinabi kong mahal kita, sa lahat ng saya at lungkot ay nandito ako.
Always enjoy the little things together, and I can't wait to do life with you. I'm more than ready to have this new adventure with you. I love you so much, my husband.
Today I stand before the Lord to the girl in pink polo shirt I first fell in love with 10 years ago. And is now in her beautiful white dress wearing our wedding ring. Sabi na nga ba hindi ako nagkamali? Sa'yo ako ay all in. I love you.
I love you.